when you suck, you spit.
Yeah.
Or you I'm talking about the saliva.
I spit out everything.
You spit out everything.
Yeah.
You ever tasted?
Once by mistake.
Hey guys, we are going to ask girls about their sex life. This one especially for my brothers. Okay? लड़की का है? लड़की. Okay. In India, if you come here, like in a day, how many guys stay on your boobs? In a day.
I think in a day, I think that's
Approx.
that's hard. A lot, I think.
A
Maybe
lot?
half of the people.
And you?
Just how many guys?
Guys stay on your boobs in a day.
Oh, yeah, definitely half of them. Yeah.
There are a number of people who does that because every now and then whenever you're walking outside everybody is staring at you. I mean, like especially at your boobs, right? And asses comes secondly. So I think around 10 to 12 in a day.
10 at least.
10.
I know.
Like, come on. It's very normal. Approx in a day.
I have no idea.
Come on, it's very normal. See, it's very normal. We are from India and
Yeah.
very normal. Guys stare
I really have no idea.
like 5, 10,
Two.
2.
I travel to Churchgate every day, so there might be many. I don't know.
I don't have much going on, so no.
But still,
Not a lot.
not a lot.
Not a lot.
I think almost everyone whom I've seen.
Do you like it?
Not exactly.
What if when they stare? What you want to do with them?
I don't want to do anything because
But still, if you get a chance, what will you do?
I really said one guy once कि बात मैं करती हूँ वो नहीं करते.
I think I'm just gonna like go and question him and maybe rather making a scene. You're getting me?
Chaat, tomato.
Okay. So do you both watch porn?
No. No. Sorry. No.
Why?
I don't like to.
I do.
Which keywords do you use?
I watch threesome वाला जो भी है.
No.
Are you virgin?
No.
Yes, I am.
So, do you ever try the oral?
No, I'm not a virgin.
You like it when your partner licks you and you like the saliva?
No, I don't like it because I have to give something in return. That is why I don't like it.
Fuck. So what do you want to give him in return?
To give anything in return.
But still, what he deserve?
You know what?
What?
I,
I don't know.
you know
I don't know.
You know that
I
you
know.
have to give something in return when you're taking
What?
something.
What?
Blowjob.
So who doesn't like it?
Yes.
Where?
Whereas
Like where?
all over me.
No, I don't think that's my thing.
No, you don't like it.
No. I don't mind.
I haven't gone till there. So I don't know much about it.
Do you like it when your boyfriend suck your boobs?
I do. That's like my one of the favorite part.
Which part do you like it when he suck your boobs?
When he sucks and with the other hand he does the thing. So sorry.
Of course.
Which part?
Obviously the nipples,
The round one or the suck part?
the round one.
The round one.
Obviously, everybody likes that.
Like this? Or like this?
I think you have to show me one more time.
It should be round and like this.
I think round.
The round one or the suck one?
The round one.
The round one from you?
Yeah. I agree with that one.
When you suck, you spit.
Yeah.
Or you I'm talking about the saliva.
I spit out
You spit out everything.
Yeah.
You ever tasted?
once by mistake.
How was it? How was it?
There's no taste.
Which position do you like it?
When he's on me.
When he's on you.
Yeah.
Fuck. Girls are going crazy these days, guys. So now we'll play a game. It's a quick kiss or a slap. Okay, if I'll win, you'll give me a kiss. If I lose, slap me. Okay. 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
लड़की दूसरी लड़की कहाँ है? 1, 2, 3. I win. Come on, I'm waiting. 8, 9, 10.
Oh my god, fine.
I win.
He's the guy after all.
This is the 10th kiss I'm getting in the day.
Fine.
Kiss.